Hi, I am Aveshan Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will explore some common reason of LinkedIn account restrictions. And now you can see that this is LinkedIn website and there are four violation reasons for LinkedIn restrictions. And first one is content violation. And when you are posting some anti-religion content on your LinkedIn profile and anything that are below the belt, and then LinkedIn removed this content from your profile, and if you again and again made this mistake, and then LinkedIn can permanently block your account. And second violation is profile violation. And if you are using a wrong name, and if you are using some famous personality pictures and like a president, and if you are using a fake education experience background image of some fake personality, so LinkedIn can permanently block your account. And third reason is identity violation. And when your account is restriction, and then LinkedIn need identification. And in case of identification, you need to upload your passport, or if you have a driving license, or if you have a ID card, so you need to upload. And if your name is not matched with your LinkedIn profile, and then LinkedIn can permanently block your account. And fourth violation is automation tool violation. If you are using automation tools such as Tripify, Ducksu, Expendi, and different more automation tools are available, these automation tools are not bad if you need, if you know how to use these tools. But mostly people are new and they don't know how to use automation tool. If you have proper training for these tools, and if you know to limit of these tools, and then you can use. But sometimes people are not using any automation tool, and they are sending connection request in short period of time, and then LinkedIn think that you are using automation tool and can permanently block your account. In one or two cases, LinkedIn never block permanently. For example, if you are using a first time automation tools, and then LinkedIn gives you a warning, and second time also give you a warning. If you made again and again same mistake, then LinkedIn can permanently block your account. From last 6 months, I am just receiving question from people and restriction from sending connection request. So in this video, I will also explore restriction for sending connection request. LinkedIn has invitation limits in place to protect our overall member experience and ensure that our member only receive relevant requests. LinkedIn account may be temporarily restricted from sending invitation to people for the following reasons. And now you can see my word format, and now you can see that there is a different reason, so I will explain one by one. And if you have sent many connection requests in short period of time, and now you can see that mostly people, when they are new on a LinkedIn, what they do, just open their LinkedIn profile and then start connection request. In short period of time, they are sending more than uh, 20 or 30 connection requests in just 1 hour. That is the cause of LinkedIn restriction. For example, what newly people do this, just send connection request, send connection request, send connection request, and in short period of time they send 20 or 30 connection requests in less than 1 hour. So that is why LinkedIn can temporarily restrict your account. The perfect method is just send connection requests 5 to 10 in just 1 hour, not more than this. And second reason is many of your invitation have been ignored and left pending or marked as a spam by the recipient. And sometimes you are sending irrelevant people, and what they will do, they will just ignore your connection request. They are not accepting your connection request. And if you have a large and big ratio of unaccepted and pending connection requests, and then LinkedIn block your account. And the simple trick here, when you have a new LinkedIn profile, don't send CEO's connection request, don't send a president and big fishes, don't send connection request. So first of all, you just need to send a connection request, and now you can see that recommended connection request. And when you open your my network, and here will be some recommendation people you know with a similar role, you can send connection request, and now you can see that people you know from same university, you can also send them connection request. So when you have a new LinkedIn profile, don't send connection request to CEO and CFO and big fishes. Try to send connection request to normal people, so they will accept your connection request. And once you have fully optimized your LinkedIn profile and you have more than 500 followers, and then you can send connection requests to CEOs and big fishes. The reason is low acceptance ratio. When your LinkedIn profile is new, people think that you are scammer because you have a 0 follower, you have a 10 follower and few follower, and you are promoting big businesses. That is why people don't accept your connection request. So you need to spend time on LinkedIn and then send a connection request to big fishes. And one more important thing, that you can make LinkedIn connection only 30,000, not more than this. You can make follower in millions, but not connection request. So that is a point. You can make only 30,000 connections. So here is some important points, and now you can read here, and I will also attach in the description. And after you withdraw an invitation, would not be able to resend an invitation the same recipient for 3 weeks. Okay, when you withdraw some connection request, and then you cannot send the same people at least 3 weeks. And all the members, if they are basic or if they are using a sale navigator, any premium account, they are limit of their connection request. It doesn't matter if you have a premium account, if you have sale navigator, you can send unlimited connection request. Connection limit same for basic and premium, but when you are using a premium account, you can view LinkedIn profile, third degree profiles more than as a basic. And third thing is, you cannot buy any fake, that different automation tools and different tools are available that you can get 1000 followers, 1000 connection requests in just 1 minute. So this trick is not available on LinkedIn. Many people are doing this, but it's a fake, and in this way you can lose your LinkedIn account. And mostly connection request limits and restriction removed from within a 1 week. For example, you are sending more than the limit, and then LinkedIn remove the restriction in just a 1 week, and sometime in just a few hours, and sometime in just a few days. And now other thing is, LinkedIn remain your documents just for 15 days, and here is a point, now you can see that. And one more thing, that when your account is restriction, and LinkedIn never disclosed you that what are the reason for your LinkedIn account restrictions. So if people are getting experience of restrictions, so they will know that LinkedIn never explore why your LinkedIn account is restricted and what are the causes of your LinkedIn account restrictions. So LinkedIn will not provide you any restrictions reasons. And now you can see that here is some tricks what to do when your account is restricted from sending more invitation. And if your account is first time restricted, and then you just need to wait for few hours, and then you can start sending connection requests. So please keep in mind that we are talking about just a restriction from sending connection request. And if one day, in just a one day, if you are making a same mistakes again and again, and your account is restricted for multiply times in just a one day, so you just need to wait few days, and after this you just need to sending connection request again. And if your LinkedIn account is restricted due to outstanding, means pending connection request, and then you just need to wait at least 1 month and then start your work again. And here is some suggestions so you totally understand, so you can apply on these suggestions, and so your LinkedIn account will not be restricted. And first suggestion is send invitation to the people you know and trust. So now when your account is new, you just need to click on my network, and then you send a connection request only those people that you know and you trust. And the best thing is LinkedIn give you some recommendation about your connection request. Now you can see that similar role, you can send a connection request to the similar people, similar universities, similar education, similar job roles. So different suggestion LinkedIn provide you, and you can use these suggestions. And second thing is, when you send a connection request, don't send a simple connection request. So I want to explain this one. And for example, you want to send connection request to Moss, this one. And first of all, you just need to open his profile and then just click on message. And from here, you can send message with add notes. Okay. And this is an email. And now I want to send how to send a connection request. You just need to scroll down and you just need to click on connection and then send a connection request with the add note message. Don't send connection request without add note, means don't send a connection request empty. Just you need to send a connection request with add notes. And the second thing is use emails and message to your group members. And now other thing is you just need to optimize your LinkedIn profile and add photo on your LinkedIn profile so people can understand you. And also you just need to write your proper headline on your LinkedIn profile. And now I want to show you, when you have a proper headline on your LinkedIn profile, and if you have a proper photo on your LinkedIn profile, proper banner, and then your acceptance ratio will increase. And now last point is send emails and message to your group members. Now I want to explain this one. You just need to join different groups according to your requirement. Here you just need to write here the different group names, and after this you can join group. And you just need to, for example, this is a group and I want to send messages to these group members. You just need to click on show all, and from here you can send a message to your group members. And in this way you can save your account from restrictions. And mostly people ask me if their LinkedIn account is permanently restricted, what they need to do. When your permanently account is restricted, so don't waste your time. So you just need to make your new LinkedIn account. So different question people ask me, can I use my old email for new account? Yes, you can. And you can use the same name. Yes, you can. And you can use new device. Yes, you can also use the same device, and if you can use a new device. And here is a trick is, if your account is restricted again and again, so you just need to change IP address for sign up at least 30 days. And you can use your friend's laptop, you can use your new device, new mobile for sign up, and after 30 days of sign up, and you can back log in your old LinkedIn device. So hope you understand about this, and if you have a more question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.